Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you the card spring. Super cool move, very easy to do with a little bit of practice, and make sure to like and subscribe if you're new, and let's get into the video. So, to do the card spring, you're going to hold the deck in your non-dominant hand in what's called mechanic's grip. So your thumb is on the outside of your body, pointer in the front, pinky in the back, ring in middle on the other side. You're going to come over with your dominant hand and put your thumb on the outside corner, the outside back corner like this. So since I'm right-handed, I bring my right hand like so, and on the opposite corner, I'm going to put my middle finger and ring finger like so. From here, you're going to bend the corners towards each other. Now, this takes a lot of hand strength that you'll build up over time. At the beginning, you might be too weak to do it, and honestly, that's fine. For me, it took a little while, but maybe try to find cards that are a little more flexible than other cards and work your way up. So you're going to hold the deck like this, like I said, come over it with your other hand, and really practice just squeezing the corners towards each other like so. Once you can adequately squeeze the corners towards each other, you're going to use your thumb to release the pressure. Just practice this. Just release the pressure with your thumb like so. Eventually you can start putting more space between your hands, and the way you're going to catch the cards, make sure your pinky is in the back for like a cradle type position, okay? What I mean by that is if your pinky was off to the side and you did the move, the cards are going to shoot back and fall from behind your hand. But if you form a cradle with your hand like this, the cards will stop because your pinky is keeping everything intact. Alright, so you have the deck like this. Basically just keep the same shape with that non-dominant hand the whole time, and use your thumb to release the pressure once you've built it up, and the cards will shoot one by one. Now over time, you can increase that space between the cards, and the spring will look cooler and cooler. And basically, as you go back with your dominant hand, you're going to go towards your hand with your non-dominant. So like this, you go here, this is the motion you're making, and with your other hand, you're making this motion. Okay, so you're bringing your non-dominant hand towards your dominant hand, like so. Alright, so that is how you do the card spring. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like the video if you haven't yet, subscribe if you haven't yet, and comment if you want to see more tutorials and specifically what you'd want to learn. Thanks guys, and see you in tomorrow's video because I'm posting daily. I was slacking for a few days because it was my birthday and stuff, but we're back on that grind. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at @thecardguy, Twitter @evanthecardguy. Thank you guys. Peace.